It's another badass person here in Colorado Springs. And they put, look at the keywords. Notice a pattern here. You're seeing a pattern, right? You've seen the same stuff in my resume. And there's a reason why on my profile. The reason why is because this is what headhunters are looking for. And I guarantee you, if they had this stuff exposed, if they put all the data in here, right now they have it locked down where only recruiters can see it. And the reason that they do this for security reasons, but only security people looking for them can see their whole resume. But there's a few other crazy people like myself who has their whole stuff out there. Let's look for somebody who has the same thing. So I want you to see a pattern emerge. This is the same thing that you need to copy for your resume, for your profile. Profile is probably more important these days than your actual resume. This is something that's really lost on people in this day and age. And I'll show you one last trick before I let you go. But here, look at this. See the same keywords keep popping up. Risk management framework, RMF. They're looking for that. System development lifecycle or software development lifecycle. Let me see what else. POAM, plan of action and milestone. If you've never ever done one of these, you definitely want to put that on your resume. I had the same thing all over mine. DISA STIGs, ACAS. That's what the military is currently calling tenable. I would put that in there too. Tenable Nessus. So yeah, you get the idea. You gotta put this you gotta be extremely aggressive. And once you do that, once you put your whole copy how we're doing it, you notice they have a picture of them. They have they put all their best stuff here on the top. Like if they have a clearance or something, they put all their best stuff, how many years of experience they have up there, and summarize it here. And then they put you want to do the same thing, copy what we're doing. And then don't stop there. In your description, break that down, put just all kinds of keywords inside. Any kind of tools you've used, any kind of development life cycles or plan of action milestone stuff that you use. You want to put that stuff as much as possible in your resume everywhere. All right. That's what you want to do. That's what's going to get you hired. That's what's going to get you more opportunities, I should say. There's no guarantee you're going to get hired anywhere, but I can guarantee you, if you do what I'm telling you, you will get tons of people contacting you. Not about maybe you don't want those jobs that they're offering you. Maybe they're not good, or maybe they don't pay enough. Maybe it's just not a good match, but you will find something.